We're back, taking a look at the house again. And guess what? We have roofs on. Not only that, there's windows in there. The windows they said they didn't have, although there is no bay window at the front of the house. That's the only thing that's missing right now. So, geez, I don't know. It'd be kind of nice if everything got up to date. Just down here at the north end of the house, looking up. Yeah, everything's good. No garage door on it. That's all right. Don't need a garage door right at this moment. But yeah, hey, starting to look like the house we bought now. You can actually see what it looks like. A little hard to see things with the machinery in the way, but hey, there it is. It's actually starting to look like the house that we bought. A little different roof structure than what they showed you on the original picture of the house, but that's actually a good thing as it turns out. It's looking really decent. A little different perspective here. Went across the road, try to get a picture. Kind of windy today. I was going to put up the drone, but it's kind of gusty, so it's kind of pushing its limits for safety, so we won't be doing that today. There it is, looking pretty good. We'll walk across here now. Yeah, looking pretty decent. That's what our house looks like. Fantastic. Can't wait to see the roof on it when they get the shingles on. Should look pretty good. The bricks be really nice. All right, kind of up to date on that one now. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. We're out of here.